Hey everybody, today I'll be making Rice Krispie treats. I'm not kids, but I really love Rice Krispie. I put some butter on the cake pan. I don't have the proper container, but it should be okay. First, melt the butter. Add marshmallow. Stir and melt it over low heat. Once it's melted, add Rice Krispie and just mix it well. Transfer to the pan. I put some butter on spatula so it won't stick. It's really sticky. So this is it. So easy and so yummy.僕これすごい好きなんですよ。なんかいくら食べてもこれ本当飽きない。I mean, I don't really get tired of it. However, I eat as many as I want because it's not too sweet. I think that's why I like it. あれさっき言おうとしたのなんだっけ。そうだ、お子さんいらっしゃる方はこれおやつなんかに作ってあげたらきっと喜ばれると思いますよ、それが言いたかっただけですそんな感じです。美味しいよ。今日はこれでおしまいです。さよなら。